We appreciate the investment that has been done over the years. Buildexpo, we've seen the country evolve and we continue getting more opportunities to take the country forward.
The huge construction in Kenya and also east of Africa is a good market for the construction material and absolutely for the ceramic, floor tile and also wall tile.
On the Kenyan market, so we are very pleased to be there. We didn't know much about it, but after 4 days we could make some great contacts.